Hi guys, welcome back. So we have a guest today, a special guest of honor. Guess who? Jessica Sonavek. Ta-da! So maybe guys featuring in my channel today. We're going to be having a skincare routine. Both of us are going to be trying the same product to see the outcome on our face. You know, sometimes when you use skincare on this particular skin, it might give a different result to another person's skin. So we are going to be trying it on our face. The same product I've been using. So more like we're going to be seeing the result on
my face. Yes.
So we are going to be doing our.
I feel like this is the product she uses every day. So
Yes.
For me, I call it everyday morning skincare routine.
Yeah, normally this one I would use this in the night, only in the night. But today we're going to be doing it because we need to get all the glow. We don't want to miss out on any part of it.
So if you want to glow like us, please watch the video
to the end. Don't forget to
subscribe, like, share,
and also go to Jessica's channel to check her out because she's also going to be posting her part of the video. So
yes,
let's get into it.
We're going to be starting with, what are we starting with?
Oil cleansing. So normally you do oil cleansing at night because you must have gone out wearing sunscreen. You know sunscreen is very, very greasy.
Yes.
So the oil will help to melt down the sunscreen or makeup if you want makeup out. So it's a good time to use oil to cleanse your face so that you can melt oil. You know, they say iron sharpeneth iron. So oil dissolves oil.
Okay.
So when you use the oil cleanser to wash your face,
then
you now use your normal cleanser. It's called double cleansing. So we are going to be using this annual Hartley pore control cleansing oil for our oil cleanser, and we are going to be using this Habib mild foam cleanser.
Okay.
We're going to be using this Habib mild foam cleanser as our second cleanser. So
we're going to use this first to wash our face.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's go. No, open it. No, you have to remove this. Put plenty.
Another way to the waste product.
So you can.
So in case you guys see me looking like this, I'm also looking at her camera. In case you guys see her looking like this, I'm looking at my camera because we are double filming. The bucket, you know,
see, Tom's Milky Sharp Cleanser, and we are using this one
from Habib.
Have to keep rubbing it for like 60 seconds. That way you are sure that all the dirt in your skin was lifted. So after that, we'll use this toner pad from Skin Food. This toner pad is very, very hydrating. Like, it's one of my favorite toner pads. Yeah. Toner pad, if you have places that maybe usually look darker, like you want to brighten up. So what you do, you just like wear it on that spot for some minutes. Maybe you wear it there while you're doing something else, then give it a few seconds, then you come back and...
Now, I want me bright. So I remember this time to my face before, that time when
whatever you apply to your face, you apply it to your neck. If you're cleaning your face, you also clean your neck, your ear, inside your ear, because all of them are part of the places that you need to. You have to romanticize yourself.
I was romanticizing it.
No, you are fast. You are even talking. Your hand was just...
See, my head don't follow.
Today we're going to be using this one from Numbozine number 9 line. This NADS PDRN 50 peptide toner from Numbozine is also a Korean brand.
I feel that Korean products are more effective when it comes to skincare.
They are more hydrating. The second toner that we're going to be using. So it's a little bit watery. Yeah.
Has a watery consistency.
So what I do is I damp. I don't rub.
You don't rub
everywhere.
Can I open my eyes?
Is my eyes not open? My eyes are open now. So you damp it your neck, your face, your ear, all the part of Black Rice Probiotics by Barrier Essence from Haru Haru Wonder is also a Korean brand. Haru Haru Wonder is a very good brand because their products are always gentle, and I think everybody, both sensitive and non-sensitive skin, can use it because I have a sensitive skin and I've not reacted to any of their products.
No, it has run away. So you tap, right?
You damp, then tap.
So it is me, I have rubbed it.
That's why I say how to romanticize. skincare. It's not something you do when you're.
I don't rubber.
It's not something you do when you're in the haze.
That's why my skincare is very, very simple. My skincare is mostly for 4 or 5 products.
You can see the glow.
Ooh, the baby's glowing.
You can see the skin is coming back.
Yeah, skin is skinning.
See.
Ooh, skin is skinning. So, like, achalubo. Hey.
No, but honestly, you just feel like that instant lift and glow once you use this. As if you follow this my routine because of the way you're building the routine.
Building up your...
So that way your face, even though you apply other things, your face will still remain very hydrated and moisture. So the next one we're going to be using is this PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. This one, you can use it at night. Pink peptide serum from Medical. That's what
your face.
You can either do it like.
I heard it's better you put it. I'm going close. It's hard to dap.
So this. Oh wow. That's what we're going to.
You can also get this in order to apply.
This one is to brighten the face and also maybe treat spots. A Bukicho Femin Eye Cream. This one helps to protect your eye. If your eyes, like, you usually have those dry eye, like, you know, some people when you see them, their under eyes are always looking ashy. So this will help to moisturize your eye to prevent wrinkle, or if you have any form of premature age like wrinkles that is trying to form, this will help to smoothen out the fine lines.
Between apply directly. No, no. I'm not going to form the thing now.
Just tap.
If you're like me, can you put it on top of your eyelid?
Yes. There are wrinkles.
See, I'm
putting this much for you. You don't need too much cream. Just a little goes a long way for your cream. So this cream is also from Tian. It's sweet and very watery. So it's good for people with oily skin and sensitive skin. See your face. Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum from Skin 1004. That's what we're going to be using as our sunscreen today. My network don't come out. So some people used to say do 3 finger. I'm not always that 3 fingers kind of girl, but I just know I put enough amount of sunscreen that can cover everything that I have applied, cover my whole face. So if you're the type that usually have tingling sensation around your eyes when you wear sunscreen, I will advise you to skip that area of your face and apply the sun serum all over other part of your face.
My face feels very, very hydrated. Like,
so is your lip gloss.
Yeah. My lip gloss. I need to go inside. You not carry one cup. Oh shoot.
Who know you? People. This light they do heat.
I need a feed heat. Yeah,
you know they sweat. Me, I can't even. You see this? If I tell you the kind of heat right there, my hair. That's why if I make hair within 2 weeks, it's already looking like 3 months old hair. And now waiting make my hair. If anybody that sweats like that, her hair will grow fast. Sweat helps to cleanse your scalp now.
Okay. So guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed today's skincare with us. Talk now.
Yeah, I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. If there's anything that you want to know more about skincare, we will be reading your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
share this video to someone that
leave your beautiful comments.
Useful to, and then we will see you in the honest. And tell us if you like this kind of collaboration, so we can bring more your way.
More.
Bye. Bye. Bye.